Welcome to the channel, Swahili Made Simple with wasomi.org. Swahili is the most widely spoken African language. In this video, we shall look at common Swahili greetings that will make your life easy. The most common greeting is habari yako, which simply means how are you? Another common greeting is sasa, which is just like saying hello. The third common greeting is uko salama, which translates to are you okay? Another greeting you are likely to use is uko vipi? This can mean, hey, what's up? So how do you respond to these common greetings? When someone says habari yako, you simply answer nzuri sana, which loosely means everything is fine. When somebody greets you sasa, you just say poa, which can mean good or cool. What about when somebody greets you uko salama? You simply answer niko salama kabisa, which simply means yes, I'm okay. And finally, when someone greets you uko vipi, you just say hamna neno, which means no worries. You might have come across the greeting jambo and the response hakuna matata. These greetings are actually not common. You will sound weird. Now take time to practice these common greetings and responses.